In this video, we are showing you an air purifier by Coway called the AP1512. Keep watching, this is Radial Tech. So an air purifier, just in general, is a highly underrated piece of technology, and it's something that is really important to our health, according to one of our favorite health gurus, Dr. Mark Hyman, author of The Ultramind Solution. Dr. Hyman says that indoor air quality can be up to 500 times more polluted than outside air, and your home is like a Ziploc bag containing airborne pollutants that can't escape. When you breathe polluted air, you introduce toxins into every cell of your body. The air circulates throughout your entire body, impacting internal organs, including your heart, lungs, kidney, and liver. Now, after quite a bit of research, we settled on the Coway AP1512 as a great option, mainly for bedrooms and small spaces, but for the price, this seemed to have some of the best cleaning results of the ones we looked into. One thing that we liked is that the Coway has a clean and compact look. It measures 16.8 inches wide by 18.3 inches high and only 9.5 inches deep. So this is something that can tuck easily into the corner of a room and doesn't look as big and clunky as a lot of the other air purifiers in this range of price and cleaning power. The Coway air purifier uses a HEPA technology, which claims to reduce 99.97% of fine particles, including pollen, dust, pet dander, and mold. Wirecutter did in-depth testing on this unit, and they found that the Coway delivers 3 air changes per hour on the medium setting and 5.7 on its highest setting, which is enough to give the air in a 350 square foot room a very good clean. They also had good things to say about the build quality of this unit and suggested that the tighter fit of the filters compared to other units ensures that all the air that passes through it gets properly filtered. The Coway has an advanced smart air control system, and what this does is it automatically controls the airflow speed from low to medium to high in real time. There are also lights on the top of the unit that indicate the indoor air quality of your room, from clean to medium to highly polluted, and you'll actually hear the airflow speed adjust based on the level of air quality that you're at. One small feature that we really like is that there's the option to turn these bright indicator lights off at night. So you can use this in a bedroom without that glow lighting up your room while you're trying to sleep. You also have the option to turn the ionizer on and off, which is a good option too, since there is some debate about the effectiveness of ionizers on air purifiers just in general. Compared to other units we tried, the Coway AP1512 is also very quiet, even on its highest setting, so you could really use this in any room of the house. Overall, we love that the Coway is quiet, compact, and its performance is superior to most other units in its range, so we would definitely recommend it. Now, we know there are other great options out there as well, and in a future video, we'll be comparing the best air purifiers in every price range, so you can subscribe to this YouTube channel and click the bell icon to receive a notification when that video or any of our other tech videos are uploaded. So we hope you've enjoyed this video on the Coway AP1512 air purifier. Radial Tech is a channel dedicated to the best in tech information, reviews, and tutorials. We share a passion for technology and how it can improve your home, your health, and your life in general. You can get involved by commenting with your thoughts and subscribing for more videos like this coming very soon. Thanks again for watching. This is Radial Tech.